Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be looking over a streaming and gaming PC build for $600. Yes, $600 for this mighty fine PC build that can stream, it can game, and let's get into it. Okay, so I first started off with the Ryzen 5 1600 AF. It doesn't say the AF here in PC part picker. That's just because, but it does say that it's the 12 nanometer version, so that does mean it is the AF variant. And then I went with an ASRock B450 ATX motherboard. It was one of the cheapest ones I could find, and it should do just fine. It's ATX, so it's gonna have some more features, and it also you for $4 less you could go micro ATX, but then you don't have as much expandability for streaming accessories down the line. And then I went with 16 gigabytes of DDR4 3000 megahertz. It doesn't really matter where I chose the cheapest kit from a decent brand, and I made sure and that had heat spreaders on it. And then I have for storage, I just have a 408 gigabyte SSD, and you can always add a standard hard drive on it for another $25-50. But to start off, this should be fine just for the first few months, maybe even a year. And then I went with the GTX 1650 Super, and a lot of people would say, oh, you at least have to go with a 1660. But we're only looking for 1080p 60 streaming and getting just a bit above that in gaming. And I would have, if I really wanted to go budget, I would just go with the 1650. But if with the super variant, we just get a little bit more performance, and we still get that Turing NVENC encoder for the stream. And then we have this really nice deep cool case. It's tempered glass side panel, and it looks like it would be solid. I haven't built this. I don't own it, but it looks good. And then we just have a Antec 500 watt 80 plus power supply, and all this rounds up to just above $600. So yeah, and I believe I have no way to test this, but I believe it will definitely be able to do 1080p 60 FPS streaming, and you should get similar performance in your games. So thank you for watching. If you are new, please like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and goodbye.